Hello everyone and welcome. And today I'm going to introduce you to 7 best AI story generators. So the first one we're going to be looking at is Pseudowrite. Now this is, as you can see, it says try the AI writing tool with unparalleled story smarts. Pseudowrite is the non-judgmental AI writing partner you've always wanted. So you can see people have talked about it, a lot of people, interesting people. So blank page, bigger on. This gives you descriptions that paint a picture in the mind without bogging down the story. If you only focus on action and dialogue, writing can feel flat. Describe makes it easy to help your readers connect your character and feel like they are really there. So you can write a novel from start to finish in just 1 week. Story Bible takes you step by step from idea to outline to beginner character chapters and then write 1,000 words in your story in your own style. Now when the word just will come out, Write can do it for you. Write is like an autocomplete on steroids. It analyzes your characters, tune and plot act, and generates the next 300 words in your voice. It even gives you options. Now if the pacing is too fast, presto expando. No matter how much time you spend planning, you end up with some sections that feel rushed. Expand magically builds out your scenes so that the pacing doesn't take readers out of the story. Everyone knows it is 10% writing and 90% editing. So you could rewrite the same sentence 100 times, or you could make the computer do it for you. Rewrite, which is a super flexible, infinitely tenacious revision body who always takes direction and doesn't have an ego. So the next we have is all the tools it has. You need an extra pair of eyes. Pseudowrite never sleeps. It has read a million stories and can read yours in 10 seconds. The feedback gives you 3 actionable areas to improve. It won't complain if you make it read just 6 drafts and you never hurt its feelings. So find the perfect word every time. How many clicks does it take to get to the center of a good sentence? 2. So planning makes it perfect. Plan out the characters, everything. Exploit plot points, character arcs and themes in the magic AI canvas. So this canvas generates alternative plot points, character secrets and plot twists with you. Hold all your inspiration and reference in one place. So let's brainstorm is another aspect again. Find the perfect name, magic item or title using brainstorm. The infinite yes and body never runs out of ideas. Thumbs up your favorite and it will learn and give you better words. So it helps bring your listen to life, your writing to life, and it is easier when you can see it. So Visual Life brings your character sheets and word building documents to life with AI art generated from your description. For example, here it is. You can see you can insert it into your story if you like. It is a writing app that should feel like home. You can choose themes and modes. Go full screen or focus mode to keep distractions away. So AI 101, a deep dive on how Sodo writes 14,000 unique pieces of prose per day without plagiarizing, one at a time. It's actually impossible to get the same result twice depending on the input. It uses 2 dozen different large language models which generate general concepts from their training data. The bigger the model, the more complex these concepts can be. So it's so much fun and interesting to use this. Let's look at the next one. If we stay here, we're gonna be here because it's so interesting. Next we have is Shortly. Now, Shortly has been acquired by Conversion AI. Okay, to make writer's block a thing of the past. Get writing superpowers, an AI writing partner at the click of a button. The AI can continue writing for you, help you get your thoughts on paper and more. Just put in your email to try. The writer's block is a misery. The misery. To get past the red blinking cursor, just click the button and your AI partner will continue writing for you in your own voice. You can turn your thoughts into fully fleshed prose, whether you're writing your next best-selling novel or a blog post for a website, or the state-of-the-art AI will help you turn your thoughts into well-written paragraphs. So, or in a clean blank description-free interface. It has proper powerful commands. Refine your writing with commands. These commands will write short lines, expand your sentences instantly. Commands help you create a perfect sentence. So you can try it for free by registering. So next on our list is Jasper. Jasper is another great one for writing. So you can write an amazing stuff just using the chat stuff. This is Jasper. It's a chat assistant built and trained for marketers. You can start a free trial or get a demo. So AI that prompts you instead of the other way around. Get the answers you need faster. Unlike generic chatbot, Jasper Chat has been trained specifically on marketing use cases and fine-tuned for specific roles, industry, and best practices, so you can gain a competitive edge built in context. It references your company's knowledge and unique brand guidelines, delivering intelligence that elevates your strategy. It works everywhere you go. So you can easily go from chat to marketing editor at any time. It is really cool, as you can see. If you have anything for it to do, you don't have to start from scratch again. Just chat and tell it what you want. Write a book for me, write this and that, gives you a prompt, and it does the work for you. It's as simple as that. The next on our list is WriteSonic. Now with WriteSonic, you can grow your business on autopilot with AI marketing agents. It's the only SEO marketing AI agent that connects to essential tools like Ahrefs, Search Console, and HubSpot. Analyzes competitors, creates winning content, and builds custom workflows that drive real results faster than ChatGPT and smarter than the basic AI charts. So it does research and planning, generates, optimize, and publish for you. So you'll be wondering why WriteSonic? Because if you're tired of switching between ChatGPT, marketing tools, and content platforms just to create one piece of content, but WriteSonic unifies free AI chat, ChatSonic, AI article writer, and marketing tools into one powerful platform. No credit card required, you can get started, it's free. It has most advanced AI article writer, connects with your favorite marketing tools, end-to-end marketing solution in a single platform, your brand voice perfectly cloned, choose any AI model you need, analyze any file documents for insights. It's research smarter. You can research smarter with your AI marketing assistant. Like we said, it's beyond basic ChatGPT alternatives. It is a great one. Just tell it what you want and to do it. So it has content creation supercharged with WriteSonic AI. It's really, really, really good. And the SEO works and boosts your search rankings effortlessly using it. Publish everywhere with your AI marketing agent. Security first, an AI agent you can trust, and so much more. Next we have on our list is Retry, RYTR. Some people call it Write. Alright, Write AI generates original and compelling content that sounds like you, not a robot. You can get right, it's free. You can see people that have used it and what they have to say. You can tell it what to do and to do it. A shortcut to stellar content. You can choose from over 40 plus content use cases and templates to streamline your writing workflow. Automate automatic editing, long form content, and SEO, creative writing, marketing, personal, professional, search, and the rest of them. You can see AI also complete text, text editing, continue writing, text inflator, grammar checker, and text improver. AI paragraph generator, reward generator, sentence shortener, and AI command generator. It is recognized by G2 as one of the leading brands in the AI writing space. AI content that sounds like you, not a robot, so it's really good and it helps to keep plagiarism in check. It works wherever you go. You can add the extension. You can see it here. Strikingly powerful yet unbelievably affordable. It has a free plan, free forever, no credit cards required. It's what you get. And if you go for the limited plan, you pay $7.50 per month and get a limited generation for individuals getting started with generative AI. Everything in free plus this. So the premium plan in $4.16 per month, you get all this. It's really, really, really good. So stop wasting your time and money on content and copywriting. Just save up to 50 hours and $1,000 per month and get right, it is free. Next we have is AI story generator. It helps you write a story paragraph by paragraph based on an overview and instruction. Just write an overview of the story here and the story will appear here and you can edit it as needed. Then you tell it what should happen next and go on from there, one paragraph at a time. If you don't want it, you just on market. So this is what it is for. It is really, really good. AI story generator, simple and easy. Now the next we have is deep story. Now if you're using the deep story, sorry, give me a sec. It wants me to sign up by all means. Why does this keep happening? I do not want to sign up. Is it by force? No. Let's go back and see there's a way you can get around it. Okay, there should be a way. Alright. So deep story is a tale of co-creation between man and machine. So this story is the best free AI script writer and story generator. We built around the combination between human creativity and artificial intelligence to create extraordinary AI-driven scripts and stories. It removes the limitations of human imagination by allowing users to co-create with AI engaging movie scripts, RPG scripts, short-form content, and stories of all shapes and forms. Deep Story AI creates human-like writing based on your input, enabling anyone to write quality stories and screenplays. Whether you're a storyteller, screenwriter, gamer, or content creator, with Deep Story you'll never be limited by your imagination. So you can try it out for free AI scriptwriter and the script book, free sign up, and the rest of them. So you can go through all this to see the great aspects of Deep Story. Because of our time, we won't be able to continue from here. But I know that you can try it out and see so many great things about it.